All right, guys, let's get ready. Here we go. Waiting on Best Buy, 173. Let's see when they report. We got 2 minutes to go. What's everybody think? Going up, going down, going 50 cents? We're down at all-time lows here for the stock. Down here at 162. I mean, it's going way, way, way back here, back to the early 90s. So not necessarily all-time lows, but it's getting pretty daggone close. Let's see what happens. 1 minute to go. What's everybody think? And not Best Buy, Bed Bath & Beyond. Yeah. Did I say Best Buy? I'm sorry. I meant Bed Bath & Beyond. And if we we know the report's going to be bad, but we have to listen to, are they going to file bankruptcy? Are they going to do a merger? Are they going to get financing? Any bit of good news in this stock will rip. It is 50% short. Any good news and this thing's going to rip. So any second now, we'll wait for the earnings. If you got to get before I do, if you get the report, let me know. We're waiting here. Yeah, sorry, Jeff. Yeah, I meant to say I said Best Buy, Bed Bath & Beyond. One more B in Bed Bath & Beyond than the BBY. All right, 7:30. Let's see. Here we go. Put on the 3-minute chart. Stock just dropped here all the way down from 173 down to 163. Anything on the report yet? Anybody got a report out? Still waiting. Nothing yet. Let's see. Street Insider's got anything yet on the actual report? All right, here we go. Oops. What we got there? All right, here's the report. Net sales 1.25 billion. Blah blah blah. Sales, comparable sales decline of 34%, driven by lower stock position, approximately 7% decrease in customer traffic. Gross margin 22 versus 22.8. Net sales 1.259 billion. Sales decline to 32%. Stocks not tanking, but I'm want to keep reading here to see if we what else we have. Gross margin, third quarter conference call. That's going to be 8:15. That's going to be interesting when the call comes out at 8:15. That's where we're going to give the stock some color here. Net loss of $4.33. Good night. I mean, the market cap of the stock's only, 184 billion. Last time I checked, 184 million, excuse me. Market cap of, now it's going 190 million. So they had sales of 1.2 billion, but they're just bleeding out money. Cash flow negative 307 million. That's huge. That is huge. I'm going to cut and paste that in there. That is crazy. This thing's holding up. I mean, it's not doing much at all really right now. It's kind of what everybody expected. I mean, we didn't get any bankruptcy news. We didn't get any funding news. We didn't hear anything about a possible merger or takeover news. So it's weird that it's holding up. I mean, I thought it was going to rip one way or the other. I mean, I'm waiting for it to go to the pink sheets, but this thing is 50% short, so they could bring this up, but the ultimate support of this thing is down there at 0. What do you guys think? I have the dollar puts for this week. I've had them since last week. I sold. I mean, I've already paid myself, so just letting the last couple ride on this one. There's nothing to trade on it as of right now. I mean, okay, scalp a few pennies here and there, but that's about it right now. Let me go back and take a little bit further look at the report. Expenses of 583.6 million, below 698 million last year. Okay. Gross margin 22. It's pretty much what we expected. As we shared last week, we continue to work with advisors as we consider all strategic alternatives to accomplish our near and long-term goals. We have a team, internally and externally, with proven experience helping companies successfully navigate complex situations. Yeah, well, it's a pretty complex situation. It's feast or famine, and you guys are about to famine right now because you guys probably won't be around by Christmas of 23, in my opinion. We want our customers to know that we hear them and are charging ahead every day to meet their needs. Yeah, that's just some PR fluff right there. That's all that is. It's pure PR fluff. I mean, the stock's just basically a nothing burger right now, which is surprising. I mean, I really thought, one way or another that it was going to, rip up or just, flatline down. So basically nothing. So I guess we wait till about 8:15 on the conference call. You guys want to hang around? You want me to go back live again at 8:15? Or you want to sit around here and we can talk about some other movies here this morning? It's up to you guys. But yeah, it's, I usually don't trade pre-market unless I get a superior entry and it's, got a huge catalyst. And so most of the time I wait till the market open, and then I usually wait for 5 minutes for the stock to pick a direction no matter what stock I'm trading. That's kind of how I like to roll. What do you guys want to do? You want to wait around for the conference call? Or you want me to go back live? Or you want to take a look at some other tickers right now? Let's take a look and see what Tesla's doing this morning. Ooh, Tesla, big drop here. Not big, but 120 down here to 117. Let's put that on the 30-minute. Are we finally going to give up the ghost? We had this double top up here. Are we going back towards 115 and then, sub 110 back to 100? I don't know. This thing's been pretty wild here lately. Look at this over the last, since the first day of trading 23 last Tuesday, a week ago. I mean, we've just kind of been all over the place. When it came down here to 100, 101, I really thought we were going to go sub 100. Then the bull stepped in and it just made a monster run up here to 124. I guess everybody else also knows Bed Bath & Beyond. But it's not doing anything. I mean, there it is. All right, here's the report came out. This is a 3-minute chart, 7:30. Kind of dropped to 157 back, and it's just kind of holding. I mean, it's not doing anything at all. Very surprising. Well, again, after the conference call at 8:15, we're definitely I would like to listen to that while and talk about the stock while he's talking. And then at the open, it's gonna put in some monster moves today, one way or the other. Do you have positions on it, Jeff? Like I said, if this thing has gets some little bit of good news or some more quote unquote color at the open or on the conference call, this thing could rip. But again, the ultimate support's down at 0. We know what happened with Hertz. Say they're filing bankruptcy or they get financing, they run it up and then it goes back down. This is over, of course, a few days, a week. So same thing happened with Sears. Then they went to SHLD was their ticker. Then they went to SHLDQ. So are we waiting on a BBBY? We'll have to. Won't be long. AMD, Amazon, just going through some other ones. AT&T, Ford. Moving here this morning. I do trade penny stocks, but when they're sub penny, not so much. But somebody in my room pointed me onto this one. It's called Kegs. It's a beer company, but they also buy other companies as well and do a bunch of different things. This is kind of interesting. Let's put it on the 15-minute chart here. All right, it's a sub penny stock. So this was 0.0002 here at the end of the year, right before New Year's, the 29th. And now the stock went all the way up to 0.0017. So as you can see here, I already drew it on the chart, 761% move. So I'm going to be putting a video out about that later on today or tomorrow regarding that and kind of where we're going to be going. But just wanted to throw that out there at you guys. I appreciate you guys coming. Please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe and click the notification bell, and you'll be notified when I go live or upload new content. CVAC making another move here this morning. I mean, this is a 3-day run from 647. Now we're up here at 1250, pulling into 1170. So definitely, we want to hold that 11 area. Let's put it right there. It's called 11. So we'll see what happens. Best Buy is still hanging around here, 162, not doing anything at all. You can go back to the 3-minute. Best Buy, Bed Bath & Beyond. Yeah, that's about it. So until, actually I'm going to put an alert on it. I'm going to put an alert above 170. I'll put it above there, 172. All right. So, all right, guys. So I'll come on back around 8, and we'll do the earnings call reaction. Thanks everybody for coming. I appreciate it. Make sure you hit the like button on your way out.